So you've created a Facebook business page for your local business and you're very happy with yourself. A week goes by, 2 weeks, and nothing. Not one like, and your only followers are your friends and your mum. Bless her. In this video, I'm going to go through 15 powerful tips you can start implementing today to optimize your Facebook business page so you can maximize your chances of being found amongst the millions of other pages out there by new visitors, which you can turn into customers. I'm Luc Durand, the founder of rankingacademy.co.uk, the place where small businesses turn to for better online visibility, more traffic to their websites, and more customers to their stores. And before I forget, why don't you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, as it will help me create more tutorials for you. This video is for those of you who already have created a Facebook business page but are not quite sure how to make the most of it. If you haven't created a page for your business yet, check out my tutorial how to create a Facebook business page, step-by-step instruction first. So without further ado, let's start with tip number 1. Add the right profile picture. Add a profile picture that reflects your brand. Very often, this will be your logo. This picture is probably the most important one, as it will be displayed on all your posts, in Facebook search results, and when someone shares your post on their own timeline. Make sure the picture is 180 pixels by 180 pixels square and is still readable when reduced to 40 pixels, which is the size it will be in a newsfeed. Tip number 2, add a cover photo. You never get a second chance to make a great first impression, and that's what you should use your cover photo for, since it's the biggest image on your page and the most impactful. At 820 pixels by 312 pixels, your cover photo is by far the largest image of your page and the best opportunity to showcase your business. Think about changing it regularly so it matches with trends, season, news that are happening in your business. Better still, use a video if you can, as it will grab the attention of your visitors straight away and make it more engaging. Have a look at this example, for instance, from Mary Smith.
In the trenches, best practices for promoting your business on Facebook using organic and paid.
The video should be between 20 to 90 seconds long and at least 820 by 312 pixels, but it is recommended to go for 820 by 462 pixels. Tip number 3, add a short description to your page. This description is found under the About section of your page. Use it to describe who you are and what you do in 255 characters, which is the maximum allowed. It is very important to use relevant keywords in your short description, so your Facebook page appears in Facebook search results for your chosen keywords. Tip number 4, add a long description to your page. The long description is also located under the About section, just below the story headline. As you can see, mine's got a few paragraphs here, and if you click on See More, it will expand it to its full glory. Now, use this description to describe your business in more depth and include services and maybe additional information such as social media links, and repeat your address and phone number. This section is limited to 10,000 characters, which is huge and gives you plenty of space to put all sorts of info in there. Tip number 5, add a description to your cover photo. This one is ignored or forgotten by many businesses, but is yet another opportunity to add more copy and more relevant keywords in relation to your business. Simply click on the cover photo and click on the Add a Description link. Add your description in there, where you can add a link or whatever else you want. You can also tag yourself and add your location if you want to. When you upload a new cover photo, it creates a post in your newsfeed, which is shown to your network and will include the description. Tip number 6, add a link to your website. This doesn't need much of an explanation really. Your Facebook page is a great opportunity to also promote your website, and in order to do that, you can add a link to your website directly from your Facebook page. Go to the About section, scroll down, go to the Additional Contact Details section, there's a link here that says enter a website. Simply enter your website here and click save. You now have your website here, and if you click on it, it's going to take you to your website. Do not forget to link back directly from your website to your Facebook page like I did here. Tip number 7, select the right business category. When you create a business page, make sure you select the right business category. There is no need to add 10 business categories since Facebook will only keep the most specific one. You want to choose the most relevant category for which you want your business to be found for. So in this instance, I've selected a local business, and in a page category, if I've got a coffee shop, I'm only going to select coffee shop. Tip number 8, create a customer URL or vanity URL. When you create a business page for the first time, Facebook will automatically generate a URL for that page made of random numbers, which is not very useful. This is not practical if you want to advertise your page, and you need something a lot more customer friendly, which would look like the one that I've got right here. This is what is called a vanity URL. Click on the Create a Page username link under the profile picture and create your desired URL. You will need at least 25 likes before you can do this. Be very careful when you do it because you can only do it once. Tip number 9, add a call to action button to your page. This is your opportunity to convert your visitors into leads or full-on customers by simply adding a call to action button right at the top of your page in blue. There are currently 5 main categories to choose from, ranging across 14 different options. Choose the one that is the most suitable for your business. So let's pick one. I'm going to choose the Get in Touch button and call now, and add my phone number right here. Now I have the ability to be called directly from my Facebook page. Tip number 10, add page tabs to promote your product or services. If you're a local business, you will either sell products or offer services. If you are interested in finding out how to add a product tab to your page or set up a shop, check my video how to add a shop to your business page. Or if you're interested in how to add a service tab, then check the how to add a service tab tutorial. I'm not going to go through this now because it would take too long, but both options are available on the left hand side, as you can see here. Tip number 11, pin your most important posts. Not all posts are created equal, and while it is okay to post light-hearted articles or videos on your page, you always want to give the best impression to visitors who come for the first time. Choose what you feel are the most important posts from your feed and pin them right at the top of your page, which should send the right message. Select the post you want to pin and click on the 3 dots at the top of the post and simply select the pin to top of the page. That should bring your post right at the top of your Facebook page. Tip number 12, start posting videos. According to a study conducted by Cisco, who is the worldwide leader in IT and networking, videos will account for a staggering 80% of global internet traffic. Time to get that camera out and start shooting some videos to engage with your audience. Tip number 13, create video playlists. You may think this should be part of tip number 12, but I think it needs to sit separately. The reason being is because creating playlists for your videos gives you yet another opportunity to add more content through descriptions, titles, etc., and also organize your content very nicely. So let me show you how it's done. From your home page, click on videos, then click on the pencil here, which will open the option to add a new playlist. So click on add playlist. So here you have the opportunity to add some content in the form of a title and a description. Here is my title and my description. Okay, click on next, and then you can start selecting the videos you want to be part of your playlist. Click on next. You should then see a recap of the videos you've selected, and then click on create playlist. And that's it. You now have your very first playlist. Tip number 14, enable reviews. Nowadays, everybody makes informed choices based on reviews. People will check your reputation online before they make a decision to do business with you. As a business, it's important to build credibility, and that goes through collecting positive reviews online. So let me show you how to do that. Obviously on my page I've already enabled this, so I'm going to use another page so I can demonstrate that to you. Simply go on your page and go into your settings, then choose edit page, scroll down and click on add a tab, select reviews and add a review tab, close and go back to your page, and you now have the review option enabled. Tip number 15, measure your performance. As you are taking the time to optimize your Facebook page, make sure you spend a little bit of time analyzing your results to see if whatever you are doing is working. This is very simple. On your page, click on the Insight options right at the top, and that will give you access to all sorts of data which will help you understand what's going on with your page. Pay particular attention to user engagement and reach, since these are great indicators of how popular your page is becoming. That's it. 15 simple tips for you to consider if you want your Facebook business page to get the attention it deserves, more visitors and more customers. It may seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it is well worth it. Now it's up to you. Start implementing all these tips one by one and watch those visitors coming through. As always, let me know how you get on in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.